and therefore the creation of opportunities. You taking me?
I got you. Yeah.
Did you start here?
No, start back from the very beginning, right there.
All right, and so.
And I know you like things to be perfect.
No. God
So
knows.
this is going to be very organic.
God knows.
Our lighting will be off. You'll have shadows.
So as we talk about the journey that you took when you engaged my services, right,
Yeah.
for lack of a better phrase, you were in and I didn't know this when we started talking, right? But what we discovered was that because you had to shut down your business and you had given up your job, you were now looking for work.
Right. You hit the nail on the head. I mean, shame.
This is what you
I
felt.
had my tail between my legs. I didn't want to let anyone know.
You told me this is how you felt. As soon as you started to trust me. That's a fearful place to be, right?
Yep.
So the first thing I need to do is get your trust.
Right.
Which you seem to think happened very quickly.
Yeah.
And I appreciate that. Then I start to give you knowledge, right?
Yeah.
Which starts to eliminate the fear and create confidence,
right?
Which creates success, which is where you would describe where you are right now versus where you were when we first met. So then what do I give in this kind of spectrum of emotion? So there's strategy, right? So what's your purpose? This is where I want to start with everybody because nobody starts here. What's your purpose? Okay, based on that, let's give you some direction. And okay, based on that direction, in terms of what you need to do, then you need to start taking action. And that's when the strategy moves over from action. What are the actions? They become tactical, right? And this is not exhaustive, but I think it's a good short list. Like there's resume writing. I could do this all day long. Online profiles like LinkedIn. Right. How can you look good online? Because people are going to go there before they ever see this.
Right.
Also, I've done quite a bit of that. How to prepare for an interview, doing feedback after interviews, how to negotiate. This is something people don't like talking about, money.
Right.
I can talk about this all day long. That all creates opportunities, which is where you're at right now. And you are shuffling 5 different opportunities right now.
Yeah.
So this seems to work.
I mean, this is perfect.
Okay.
I mean, what you put on here describes it to a T. The syntax, everything is just, right on the money.
So you can send me that?